Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Capital One Venture X tips. First, let's talk about earning rewards. You can kickstart your earnings with a generous welcome bonus, typically 75,000 miles after meeting a spending requirement in the first 3 months. Beyond that, you'll consistently earn 2 miles for every dollar spent on all purchases. Plus, booking travel through the Capital One travel portal significantly boosts your earnings, offering 10 miles per dollar on hotels and 5 miles per dollar on flights. It's a fantastic way to accumulate miles quickly. Now, let's explore how to redeem your hard-earned Venture X miles. The simplest way is through the Capital One travel portal, where your miles are worth 1 cent each for flights, hotels, and rental cars. For those seeking even greater value, transferring your miles to one of Capital One's more than 15 airline and hotel loyalty partners can unlock premium travel experiences. You can also use your miles to erase eligible travel purchases made elsewhere, offering great flexibility. Beyond earning and redeeming, the Venture X card offers a suite of premium benefits. You'll gain unlimited access to Capital One lounges and over 1,300 Priority Pass lounges globally, enhancing your travel experience. Each year, you also receive a $300 travel credit when booking through Capital One Travel, which effectively reduces your travel costs. Plus, the card provides robust travel protections, including primary rental car insurance and trip cancellation coverage, offering peace of mind. Finally, let's discuss how to maximize the overall value of your Venture X card. The annual fee is easily offset by the $300 annual travel credit and 10,000 bonus miles you receive each anniversary. Adding authorized users is free, and they also get lounge access, extending the card's perks. Don't forget to use your credit for global entry or TSA pre-check every 4 years, saving you time at the airport. These strategies ensure you get the most out of your card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.